A folding knife is a highly personal item. The one you choose depends on how it fits in your hand, how you plan to carry it, and what you plan to cut with it. Most find that a drop-point blade is the most versatile option. It has the tip of a narrow clip point to easily punch through things yet still has a long, gradually convex edge for longer slicing strokes. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best folding knives. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Buckknife's 110 Folding Hunter Lockback Knife. The Buckknife's 110 Folding Hunter Lockback Knife is made from 420HC steel. It has excellent sharpness, edge retention, and rust resistance. Additionally, the blade has a non-reflective black oxide finish and is drop-point in shape, making it versatile. Aside from being one of the most affordable knives, one of the Vantage's best features is its smooth one-hand opening, which means that you can easily use the blade even if you only have one hand free. The handle is made from glass-reinforced nylon and is textured so that you can easily grip the knife regardless of conditions. It is helped by the shape of the handle, which is ergonomically designed to fit in the palm of your hand. The Vantage knife can easily be carried thanks to its pocket clip, meaning that it can accompany you no matter where you go. Number 6. Benchmade 535 Bugout Knife. The Benchmade 535 Bugout knife is made to retain its sharpness and edge and resist corrosion. However, if you feel like your blade needs sharpening, you can send it to Benchmade, who will professionally sharpen the blade for free. The blade style is drop point, a popular shape of the knife as the point is strong and only one side, the belly, is sharp, making it good for slicing. It is ideal when hiking as it makes the knife versatile. The ergonomic handle is made from ivory and is textured to ensure good grip in all conditions. The knife opens manually, and the axis lock folding mechanism ensures safety and means that you can easily open and close the knife, even with one hand. The handy lanyard hole means that if you aren't carrying the knife in your pocket, you can clip it on your pack so it won't go missing. Number 5. Zero Tolerance 0350TS Folding Pocket Knife. The Zero Tolerance 0350TS folding pocket knife is tough, light, and functional. It is built with the military and law enforcement in mind, and these knives more than cater to adventurers and hikers. The combination of blade and handle materials makes it one of the strongest knife options. However, it is also slightly pricier but makes up for this in superior quality. It is made from high-end stainless steel, and the blade holds its edge and resists corrosion well. The blade's tungsten DLC blackwash finish makes the knife scratch resistant and aesthetically pleasing. One of the best features of this knife is the non-slip fiberglass handle, which means the knife is both lightweight and strong. The contour of the handle means that it is easy to grip and sits well in your hand. Opening manually, the flipping action of the knife is fast and smooth and can easily be opened with one hand. Number 4. Openo Carbon Steel Folding Pocket Knife. The Openo Carbon Steel Folding Pocket Knife comes in various sizes, with blades varying in length from 7 cm to 12 cm. The length that works for you will depend on your preferences and what you intend to use the knife for. It is made from carbon steel, the blade has good resistance to wear, and the knife can easily be sharpened. However, carbon steel can also rust, so you must ensure that you don't leave your knife in damp conditions. The handle is one of the knife's most beautiful features, commonly made from beechwood. The wood is durable and hard and gives the knife a traditional feel. The handle adds to the uniqueness of each knife as the color can range from yellow to pink, depending on the wood. The blade can lock both when opened and closed, meaning that you will never have to worry about the blades slipping when in use or your pocket. Number 3. Victorinox Swiss Army Evolution. The Victorinox Swiss Army Evolution features a keyring, a toothpick, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, a nail file, a corkscrew, and a large blade, amongst others. The knife is constructed from stainless steel, making the tool sturdy and resistant to rust. Bring this knife with you on your daily adventures without sacrificing space. The keyring is a handy feature that you can use to attach the knife to your keys or your hiking pack so it won't get lost. The grip of the multipurpose tool is ergonomically shaped to make it comfortable to use and hold. It, paired with the fact that you can easily carry the knife in your pocket, means that the Victorinox Swiss Army Evolution is a great everyday tool. This multipurpose tool includes a folding knife, amongst other handy items, meaning that you can use the blade for various purposes beyond cutting. Number 2. CIVIVI Elementum 2 Pocket Folding Knife. The CIVIVI Elementum 2 Pocket Folding Knife has a similar shape, with a flipper open action. The G10 composite scales come in the same wide variety of colors that CIVIVI is known for. Though this is mainly for aesthetic purposes, CIVIVI understands that a knife is a work of art that enthusiasts collect as much as actually use. The main upgrades are in the lock and the blade steel. The Elementum now features an excellent button lock, which is not only easy to disengage, but make the knife inherently safer than the liner lock of its predecessor. It does require the knife to grow a little thicker to accommodate this mechanism, but overall, it's an acceptable trade-off. The real impressive feature of this knife, though, is its blade steel alloy. It is a beautifully functional knife offering quality steel for a steal. Number 1. Kershaw Link Olive Stonewash Pocketknife. The Kershaw Link Olive Stonewash Pocketknife features a thick, compound round blade of high-quality steel and an ergonomic grip that makes big cutting jobs easier. Whenever face a daunting task like preparing kindling without an axe or opening tons of packages of more gear to review, this is the knife we reach for every time. The specific steel alloy used in the blade, CPM20CV, is known for its stellar hardness and edge retention, so it stays sharp and doesn't bend or flex under pressure. The overall construction is bomber, and the grip feels secure, safe, and ergonomic. This is a top option if you need a knife to carry on the construction job site, or just want a large blade for your camping or outdoor kit. The major downsides to the Link are bulk, weight, and cost, all reasonably associated with opting for such a burly knife. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.